The last video we have discussed how to use a select statement and also how to remove our duplicates from a table. Now today we are going to learn about where clause. I'm going to open this customer table now. Use Shakila because it's in a Shakila database, and customer. So select everything from a customer table. Okay, and run. You can see customer ID, store ID, first name, last name, email, address ID, active, and create date and last update. So let's say you need a record whose address ID is greater than 10. So how do you write that? Using a where clause we can write. So where address ID greater than 10. Running this, you can see here. Yeah, now these are all the records whose address ID is starting from 11. So let's say you need a record whose customer ID is 10. No, we'll take 11. Whose customer ID is 11. You need that record. So how do you write that? Where customer ID equal to 11. Yes, now we'll get this record whose customer ID is 11. Okay, here is a single record whose customer ID is 11. And if we need a record whose first name is Mary, then where first name equal to Mary, and you need to give a Mary in a single or double quote because it's a character. That means it's a string. So we have to represent it by a single or double quotes. So you can see now we have a two records whose first name is Mary. And let us see a complete table now. Entire table. I'm making this as a comment and run this. Okay. Now we know that to use a string we need to give it in a double or single quotes. Let's have a look on create date column, and you can see here the first record is 2006 0214, and this is a time you can see at the end, and this is in a format of year, month and date. So you can see many of the records have a same date and time as well. Yes, I'm removing this comment. Okay, let's write for a create date, where create date equal to, I'll copy this first one that is in a first row 2006 0214 and that date. Okay, and I will paste it here. You need to use single or double quotes even for this to write a date, and you can see the timings and date here. Let's run this. You can see all the records having create date as 2006 0214 and with the same timings. Where we'll see for not equal to now, which is not equal to this timing. Yeah, you can see the date is same, but you can see some changes in time. So here we have 37 seconds, which is not equal to 36. So we are getting this records here. For not equal to, we can use exclamatory followed by equal to or something like this symbol or this, any of the one you can use for not equal to. And you can also check for greater than, lesser than, equality, not equal to, all this. Let's use a greater than symbol here and check the records having a create date greater than 2006 0214, and you can see here we have got a record greater than this date. And let's see for 37 now, there is no date and time greater than this, and let's check equal to, that is equality, and you can see the create date having a same record as shown. Thank you for watching.